Now, what we have here is the customer here had a sink replaced, and the newer sink has deeper bowls. And now the deeper bowls has thrown the waistline off its mark. And now what we're going to do to straighten it out is we're going to drop the waistline down so that it will line up properly and not have such a large dip. Here you see we've removed the old drain, and we've had to go into the wall, of course. And now we're installing a new drain, 1.5 inches. We're just getting a look at it here. This is where the garbage disposal is going to go. I do apologize for the lighting. This is the new garbage disposal that's going to go in. It's a 3/4 horse. And this is the plug outlet for the dishwasher. And all new ones come with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to knock this plug out. You can see now the plug is gone. You can see my finger right there. Okay, and this is the new connection of the new drain. Now it will operate a lot more efficiently. And now we have to hook up the dishwasher drain. And this is a better look of the new drainage system that's been replaced. Let's see. Now the dishwasher is hooked up. The drains all connected. And you notice that the garbage disposal is lined up with the P-trap. The other way, it wasn't lined up with the P-trap before. And this is the main purpose why we need to line it up with the P-trap, because sometimes people will put the garbage disposal on the opposite side other than the side where the trap is. But as you can see, this is the diverter. If the disposal is on the wrong side, anything that goes to the disposal will get caught up in the diverter.